Jah give us strength when the road gets steep. Concrete yard hard, still we plant the seed. Truth in how we are, love is all we need. Them try fi blind eye with silver and gold, but the book say Babylon soon get cold. Roots of Zion, deep in the ground, hear the Nyabinghi drum make a thunder sound. Roots of Zion, strong and firm, Jah fire burn slow, but it surely burn. Roots of Zion, deep in the ground, hear the Nyabinghi drum make a thunder sound. Roots of Zion, strong and firm, Jah fire burn slow, but it surely burn. Get our youth stand tall, no bow to no man. With a lion heart and a righteous plan. Politician talk sweet, but them are unclean. Sell the future for $1 and a limousine. From Trenchtown Road to the hillside high, still a chant your name when the night draw night. Every whip and chain, every tear we shed, turn to wisdom words from the elders dead. Roots of Zion, deeper than before, can't uproot you from the poor man door. Roots of Zion, here I cry, Judge I know the reason why. Roots of Zion, deeper than before, can't uproot you from the poor man door. Roots of Zion, here I cry, Judge I know the reason why. Fire upon Babylon, fire. Water upon the wicked plan, fire. Guide I and I to Zion, to the promised land. Fire upon Babylon, fire. False crown must fall. Jah rise the humble and humble the proud. Them say freedom come, but it walk too slow. While the rich man feast and the poor man low. Still I hold faith like a burning coal, 'cause Jah write the ending in a eye soul. No gun, no knife, just word and sound. Truth is the weapon that shake the ground. When the trumpet blow and the veil tear down, only righteousness wear the crown. Roots of Zion, strong and sure, from the ghetto pain to the mountain pure. Roots of Zion, chant it loud, just stand with the meek and proud. Roots of Zion, can't be slain through the sunshine and the rain. Roots of Zion, roots of Zion, roots of Zion. Fire from a restless time. Still speak truth, still keep time. Jah live, Jah reign. Oh yeah. Early morning sunrise over zinc fence wall. Hear the hungry children when them cry and call. Babylon I watch we chain upon we feet, but Jah give I strength when the road gets steep. Concrete yard hot, still we plant the seed. Truth in our heart, love is all we need. Them try to blind eye with silver and gold, but the book say Babylon soon get cold. Roots of Zion, deep in the ground, hear the Nyabinghi drum make a thunder sound. Roots of Zion, strong and firm, future for a dollar and a limousine. From Trenchtown Road to the hillside, I still a chant your name when the night draw nigh. Every whip and chain, every tear we shed, turn to wisdom words from the elders dead. Roots of Zion, deeper than before, can't uproot truth from the poor man door. Roots of Zion, here I cry, Judge, I know the reason why. Fire upon Babylon, fire. What upon the wicked plan? Guide I and I to Zion, to the promised land. Fire on Babylon, fire. False crown must fall. Jah rise the humble and humble the proud. Them say freedom come, but it was